USD trailed by as much as 3 points early in set number 2, but they made a huge run here. And now lead by 2-8-6 against UE, and they're also up 1-0.
And UE right now, they gave up that great start that they had to open up this second set. No, now USD's back, and although na nabablock itong UE, their offense has been blocked most of the time, but they've been picking up those coverage plays, so they're doing a good job with that department. It's just that USD is just hitting better right now.
Lebrida.
Caballero.
Lucky break for UE. That ball was out. Pero a Tigress touched the net. That's Caballero. Kung nga nasabi ni
That's right, Caballero.
Ian. UE 7, USD 8.
Nice serve.
Tunay from the other side.
Ooh!
Rosale hits it out.
Ite Rosale having problems against the block. Napalakas yung tira as she tried to get a touch. Yes, Llano, and it went out of bounds. 9 serving 7. Bulan. A quiet afternoon so far for Sarina Faith Bulan after coming up with 21 in the win against NU. Caballero. Yes.
Off the block.
Starting to get busy in set number 2 as it was almost, you know, all the attacks in set number 1 kay Maruban Atikla lang. Pero ngayon, Judy Caballero starting to get involved.
That's right.
With the offense.
Rosales struggling a bit in the block, no? So the department, nakita mo, she's having a tough time chasing those attacks from left to right.
Joust won by that lady, kaya nakapuntos ang UE. Mary Grace Masangkay winning over Midori Hirotsuji, and si Hirotsuji nagpahinga.
Grace Masangkay to serve for UE.
And in comes De Leon para sa UST.
Middle blocker, Jesseline De Leon. Again, Masangkay, an excellent server, giving problems to the receivers. Ooh!
Nabati mo.
It always happens. Lagi na lang.
So instead of fighting for a tie, UE gives up a 2-point lead here. 11 serving 9. Masangkay, tough set. And that ball in the middle of the court, punished by Maruban Atikla.
Well, as if Maru hasn't been getting enough sets from Di Makulangan. Now even Masangkay.
Nagbigay na rin.
Ano ba yun? Nice serve.
2 back-to-back nice serves coming from Tunay. Nag-agawan dalawang players para sa UST. Lack of communication there. Wasted a good serve from Tunay.
That's right. Well, one of the pitfalls if you're a rookie, you're always gonna get the blame.
Kaya nilabas agad si Jessie De Leon, and balik ulit. Napaka-iksing pahinga para kay Midori Hirotsuji.
Minsan kahit hindi mo kasalanan, kasalanan mo dahil you are at the wrong place at the wrong time. Kasalanan mo na rin.
Got tangled up. Mary Grace Masangkay and Lucette Dawis. The second ball was supposed to be for Masangkay, obviously, but she couldn't get to it. Wasted opportunity for UE. There are mistakes from USC, but they can't capitalize on it.
Ooh! Oh, nice save. Oh, 4 touches already.
UE calling a timeout here. USD is up by 4. Let's listen to Coach Dalistan.
Papatay tayo ng isang bola pagkatapos natapon natin service. Sagayin na muna kasi natin. Mag-focus muna tayo sa ginagawa natin. Ano ba naman pinipilit natin yung running core? Pinipilit natin yung running core. Pagkatapos, kinakaladkad mo yung paa mo. Eh di wag ka na humingi ng running core. Wag naman pag narinig mo sinabi niya running core, bigay. Tignan mo yung plaque.
Coach Dalistan upset with the fact that they keep on going with the running four. A play designed for si Kite Rosale. And nabanggit na, nadinig nyo na, she keeps dragging her feet. It seems like she's struggling to run and jump at the same time. So, wag mo na ibigay,
That's
sabi
right,
ni...
that's right. Wag na yun ang hingin mo kung ganun lang din yung...
And kung hingin man, sabi niya kay Mary Grace Masangkay, umanap ka na iba.
That's right. And he also said that they execute a good play, but right after that, they throw away the point with a service error or a reception error. So, sayang. Sabi niya, hindi talaga makakahabol sila kung ganyan. Oh,
Gawi.
nice.
Too close to the net. Won by Masangkay, the joust against Midori Hiratsuji. But there is an overreach. Tama ba?
That's right, that's right. Masangkay is a back row player. I think she set it over, so that's a violation.
Now UST up to their biggest lead at 6 points, 15-10 in set number 2.